Hey, what's going on, everybody? So this is the third video in the series that takes a look at the options available to R. Kelly to actually deal with Azreal Clary. So a lot has been going on, and I have been paying attention to the information all the commenters have put on my page, especially Michelle Davis. Michelle Davis actually laughed at one of my theories, and she's pretty much, well, a lot of people are actually stopping me from going down this path, but I'm just going to throw this out anyway, and you guys can just do with it what you want. You can tell me if I'm off, if I'm wrong, but I think that Azreal Clary actually loves Jocelyn Savage, and this is why I say this. If you go back and you look at the second video that I did, and towards the end of that video I explained how Azreal Clary comes out in another video, and she basically says that she wanted to go back and get Jocelyn Savage, and she explains that she spent 5 years with Jocelyn Savage. Now, I believe that she actually loves Jocelyn Savage. Michelle Davis laughs at me, but this is why I believe this. Number one, she claims in the fight that Jocelyn slept with her when she was underage. Okay? She claims that, right? Now, whether she was underage or not, I think everyone will believe it's true that they actually slept together, right? So, follow me. R. Kelly is no longer in the picture. You guys are used to having sex with each other, and now you're living in the Trump Towers alone. Think about it. A relationship is naturally going to develop. Love is naturally going to be developed. Love, for lack of a better word, is also a verb. Love actually has many states and it has many meanings, but it's also a verb. And when you're living with the person and you're having sex with a person, I don't think they stop having sex with each other simply because R. Kelly isn't around. I don't believe that. These two women were having sex with each other. They have a intimate relationship with each other, and it's not, the relationship that they have is very, very complex. Yes, R. Kelly is involved in that relationship, but remember, he's locked up. It's only them two now, right? So this is why I believe that they actually have feelings for each other. Now, keep in mind, I'm using love loosely, but think about it. Love and hate are two different sides to the same coin. When you love a person, you're exchanging loving and caring feelings for that person. And when you hate a person, you're exchanging hateful and conniving, and you're wishing that other person, that evil will become upon them. But at the end of the day, they're still feelings. They're just the worst feelings to basically exchange with someone. So they have an intimate bond, right? They have an intimate bond. So with that said, call me a simp, call me naive, call me goofy, but I believe that it's still possible. Maybe there's a slim possibility, but it's still possible for, number one, R. Kelly to come to Azreal and just say, "Look, I didn't mean for any of this to happen. I love you. I wish you all the best, but tell me what I can do to basically make things right, or to try to make things right for you." As some of the other commenters pointed out on my page, that Azriel basically fell for R. Kelly. She was in love with him, and now she basically doesn't have anything, and basically she's bitter. I forget who actually pointed that out, but if you go to my to the video where the second video in this series, I think someone points it out. So yeah, I think R. Kelly can appeal to her, and I think that Jocelyn may have a chance of appealing to her as well, because again, they have feelings for one another, right? So okay, all right, I can understand that the blowout between Azriel and Jocelyn R. Kelly has reached a dramatic proportion, and it's probably really difficult to reverse it. I can understand it. I can respect that, especially now that Azrael is trying to press charges against Jocelyn. I guess I can see how it's going to be difficult for them to all reconcile. So I get it. I get it. But I just had to throw that theory out there just to, get it out there because there's obviously love there and they're obviously a family. And basically, I wouldn't want to see anyone that I love or once loved hurt, and I wouldn't want to see them angry with me. So my first recourse is to always try to go to them and say, look, I'm really sorry all of this happened. I didn't mean for this to happen. I love you, and I want nothing but the best for you. And if I could reverse this whole thing and have not done any of this to you, I would do it, but I can't. So, baby, please tell me how I can make this work. That's me. Call me a simp. Call me a simp. Call me naive. Call me stupid. But that's the first approach I would take to dealing with Azreal Clary because hopefully that would give her an opportunity to maybe express some of the things she would want me to do if I was in R. Kelly's situation to try to help repair the damage. I would understand that I can't totally fix the damage that's been done to her, but it would help her to, maybe find something that I could do for her or give to her to try to fix this, right? So that's actually the first option available that I know everybody on my page and everybody who's watching these videos are going to disagree with, but I had to get it out there.